I have the great fortune to be here at Leshan, China. And this is the site of the huge Maitreya Buddha built by the great enlightened master Hotong. And I saw this one originally on Discovery, and I made a wish to come here to visit. And now I'm here with a group. I'm here with Paul and Irene and Mi Chang and Sing Piao to visit this holy place. And we're looking at it from the side, and it's humongous. You can see the body. We just visited the cave where the holy monk resided and stayed while he built this place. You can see the size of this place by seeing the people here climbing down all the way to the bottom. So that's the top over there. And you can see a little bit of movement of people walking around. And you can see the people climbing down all the way to the bottom. So it's quite big. And this Buddha was built in order to calm the torrential and violent rivers that was killing many people here. This is the vista you can see from where the holy Buddha is. Lord Maitreya, the Buddha of the future.